Hey everyone, let me ask you something. Are you planning to enter the Chinese medical device market but stuck at the very first step, classification? You're not alone, and here's the truth most people don't tell you. China classification is not straightforward. Everything is regulated by National Medical Products Administration, and one mistake here can cost you 6 to 12 months delay, complete resubmission, unexpected clinical trials, huge cost escalation. Most companies think, we already have CE or FDA, we're fine. But reality, China does not follow EU or FDA classification. It uses its own catalog system. Local interpretation matters. And here's the real pain point. If your classification is wrong, your entire strategy collapses. In this video, we'll go deep, like really deep, into step-by-step classification process, timeline, real world, not theoretical, cost impact, very important for decision makers, documents required, real-life case examples, mistakes that cost companies millions, how to get it right the first time. Let's break it down. Part 1. The real problem. Why companies struggle in China? Most manufacturers say, we couldn't find our device in the classification catalog. Or worse, we assumed Class 2, NMPA classified it as Class 3. Real pain points. No exact match in catalog. Confusion between similar categories, changing classification during submission, unexpected clinical trial requirements. Real example. A company classified a diagnostic AI tool as Class 2. NMPA reviewed it and classified it as Class 3. Result: clinical trial required, 12+ month delay, 3x cost increase. Root causes: ignoring NMPA catalog, weak intended use definition, over-reliance on EU FDA classification, no local regulatory insight. Key insight: China classification is rule-based and catalog-based and interpretation-driven. Part 2. Regulatory framework. Governing authority: National Medical Products Administration. Classification levels. Class I, low risk, filing. Class 2, moderate risk, registration. Class 3, high risk, strict registration. Key factors: intended use, risk to patient, mode of action, duration of use. Core tool: NMPA Medical Device Classification Catalog. Product codes, structured hierarchy, official classification reference. Part 3. Step-by-step process. Step 1. Define intended use, most critical step. Ask, what exactly does your device do? Is it diagnostic or therapeutic? Is it AI-based or software-driven? Problem: broad descriptions. Example: monitoring system. That's wrong. Real-time ICU patient monitoring system with predictive analytics. That's correct. Step 2. Identify product type. Active device, implantable, IVD, SAMD. Step 3. Search NMPA catalog. Use keywords. Identify closest category. Find product code. Problem: no direct match. Step 4. Analyze similar approved products. Benchmark against existing approvals. Study classification patterns. Step 5. Determine risk class. Based on catalog. Based on rules. Step 6. Apply for classification determination, if needed. When? No clear category. New technology. Process: submit application to NMPA. Provide technical details. Await official classification.
Timeline impact adds 2 to 6 months. Step 7. Document justification. Rule reference. Comparison data. Risk analysis. Step 8. Final classification decision. Move to registration phase. Part 4. Timeline. Classification timeline. Simple, 2 to 4 weeks. Moderate, 1 to 2 months. Determination, 2 to 6 months. Impact on approval. Class I, quick entry. Class 3, long process. Real case, wrong classification, restart, plus 9 months delay. Key insight, classification is the foundation of your entire timeline. Part 5. Cost breakdown. Cost by class. Class I, low cost. Class 2, medium. Class 3, high. Additional costs. Local testing, mandatory in China. Clinical trials, Class 3. Translation costs. Agent fees. Hidden costs. Reclassification. Retesting. Delays.
Real example. Device assumed Class 2. Actually, Class 3. Impact. Clinical trial. 50K to 500K plus. Delay. 12 months. Key insight. Wrong classification equals exponential cost increase. Part 6. Documents required. Core documents. Intended use statement. Product description. Technical specifications. Risk analysis report. Comparison with similar devices. Supporting documents. IFU. Labeling. Clinical literature. Test reports. Part 7. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Copying EU FDA classification. Example: EU Class 2A, not China Class 2. Mistake 2. Ignoring catalog structure. Result: misclassification. Mistake 3. Weak intended use. Result: confusion and delays. Mistake 4. Skipping determination request. Result: risk of rejection. Mistake 5. No local regulatory support. Result: wrong strategy. Part 8. Final strategy. How to get classification right first time. Define intended use clearly. Use NMPA catalog properly. Benchmark similar products. Apply for determination when needed. Validate with experts. One line. Correct classification equals faster approval and lower cost and zero surprises. Planning to enter China? Don't let one classification mistake cost you a year. Because wrong classification equals rejection. Poor planning equals delays. No validation equals massive cost. Why choose OMC Medical? NMPA experts. Accurate classification strategy. End-to-end China registration. Faster approvals. Whether you're launching in China or fixing a delayed application, talk to OMC Medical experts today. If this helped you understand China classification, follow OMC Medical for more deep regulatory insights. And we'll see you in the next video.